Hitman Absolution. I'm doing one of a kind on expert, AA gamer for life. Okay, so like on all expert levels that I've done, I've gone ahead and did the level on normal and got all the challenges done. And then I switch over to expert and then do it on expert. Just FYI, I did complete the game, and you will get the expert achievement or the professional achievement, whatever it is. I thought maybe they'd dick you and you'd have to do a fresh playthrough and just do it all on professional, but I did get the achievement doing this way, so just so you know that. So when it comes to expert, it's all about whatever it takes to get from A to B. If you have to shoot it out, then shoot it out. But if you can get past them, then you do that. With this level, you're able to go from like the second guard that you encounter right to the office, close to where your silver ballers are, and take out about 3 guards or so, and you can get right to the door to the outgun map.
Fuck! What the fuck kind of place you running here, Clive?
Hell, that ain't mine.
Jesus Christ, you
That's Mrs. Cooper's.
sick fuck! You killed my boy, didn't you?
Look, man, just tell him what he wants to know. Accidents happen in this jail all the time.
Hey, Mr. Dexter, come on. You go on about your business. I'll take care of this guy. Let's go.
I want my boy back, Clive.
I ain't let you down yet, have I? Go on. Yeah, it's gonna be you and me now.
Okay, so we are an expert, and use a disguise, don't use a disguise. I go ahead and put the policeman's disguise on because I wasn't really sure if I was going to need it or not, and as it winds up I didn't really need it, but it can hurt as far as I'm concerned. So normally on expert they're going to throw double the amount of guys at you.
I'm on it.
But with this chapter, map, whatever you want to call it, it wasn't too bad.
Yeah, we'll do. Thought I was just a sergeant. You look very happy. Probably had a session, if you know what I mean, right?
Be careful with this
Anyway, I
guy.
left
He
the
likes to
pistols
turn
for you to
kind
pick
of in
up
your
at the front
direction,
desk. Oh,
like
yeah.
right there.
They are beauts.
And then he turns back
Actually,
around, then you're good to
think
go
he was
around and get him. Okay, now I dragged this guy downstairs. Why? I'm not sure. I believe there's a crate right there in that room I could have just put him in. I figured that I was going to have to do like I did in the normal walkthrough and take out all the police, but that's really not the case with this level. This chapter, I mean. Map. Kind of confuses me because when they consider a level in this game, they talk about the whole Sledgehammer level, and I would Normally when I talk about a level, it would be just like this particular map or chapter, whatever you want to call it. So really we'll just refer to them as this map, which is the jailhouse or county jail. So that little air vent bypasses the whole jailhouse basically. Okay, so we got about 3 guards that we need to get out of our way, or at least 2.
I'm always the one to check things out. Hey, who did that? Did your gran ever tell you tales about the Wendigo? Because it looks like he's dicking around with us.
Now I should be using the double distraction here. I don't know why I'm not.
You kids better not be messing around.
Should get behind a desk under cover and throw them back to this corner so they get away from that door. Okay, so with those 3 guys that are out, get out here, get our silver ballers, and then we should be able to walk right to the door and not have any issues.
Oh, fuck! We're taking over your town. Who the fuck are you? This is my fucking town!
Let him know we're serious.
Ow! Don't shoot me! I'm the sheriff! Ah!
Christ, what a dipshit.
Alpha team, stay on mission. Line 47.
Alright, that takes care of the jailhouse. County jail. Now we're out at the outgunned, and we will see you on that one. If you like the videos, you can always support us by checking out the ads.